guys, what's up? Jain. This is Ananya, your SST Master Teacher at Vedantu. How are you all? I hope you people are taking very good care of yourself. So, guys, if you people are new, do not forget to subscribe to this channel and also hit the like button. It is absolutely free. Thank you so much in advance. Alright, so guys, without any further delay, let's get started with this session. Guys, in this video, I'm going to revise the topic of Himalayan mountains. Alright guys, so this is for 9th CBSE and it is on the physical features of India, the second chapter from your geography. Alright, but before I start with the revision of this topic, Himalayan mountains, guys, a very special announcement for everyone. And guys, this is just amazing. Guys, we have the Dussehra offer live for you with 50% off on all the courses. Guys, 50% off on all the courses up to rupees 2000. Guys, if you take our term 1 crash course now, okay, if you take our term 1 crash course now, it was 2500. By the way, it was very less. But now if you apply my coupon code 𝗟𝗲𝘃𝗶𝘀𝗀, it will come down to 1250 for entire crash course. And guys, there are many advantages of taking our crash course. We'll definitely tell you at the end of this session. Guys, 2500 came down to 1250 rupees. And for classic, 3000 came down to 1500. Beta, do you know the difference between light and classic? In classic, you will get a doubts app. Means after the class, you can ask unlimited question. Means it is at 1250 after applying my code, and classic it has 1500 after applying my code. Just by spending 250 rupees extra, you will get a doubts app. Means you attended my live session. After the live session, if you feel that you come across any questions, you can definitely ask. Unlimited with many other benefits. Guys, if you want to know, but guys, this is there only till 19th of September. 19th of October, guys, I'm sorry. Alright, only till 19th of October. So make sure that, guys, hurry up. The link is there in the description box. Use my coupon code 𝗟𝗲𝘃𝗃𝗀 and get flat 50% off on all the courses. Guys, the batches soon they are going to start. You can see 11th of October already started. Alright, 8th of November, that is for CBSE 9th. If you are in 10th, accordingly you can check. And if you are already a part of Vedantu's Pro subscription, you can share it with your friends. Tell them to be a part of Vedantu. Alright. Thank you so much in advance, guys. This is my coupon code 𝗟𝗲𝘃𝗃𝗀. Thank you so much. Let's get started, guys, with the video that is Himalayan mountain ranges. Now, guys, we know Himalayan mountain ranges are the loftiest mountain ranges in the world. The tallest mountain ranges in the world. Alright. It is in Asia. Most of the part is in India. Now, guys, the Himalayan ranges runs from west to east. Alright, let me show you a diagram. Yeah, so it runs from west to east. Alright, from river Indus to river Brahmaputra. River Indus is in the west and river Brahmaputra is in east. Alright, guys, if you look at the length of Himalayan mountain ranges, it is 2400 kilometers. And if you look at the width, it varies from 400 kilometers in the west till 150 kilometers in the east. Alright, as I told you, it is also known as the young fold mountains in the world. Alright guys, a homework question for everyone. I want you guys to tell me in the chat box why it is known as young fold mountains in the world. Alright, this will help me to understand how many students are seriously watching this session. Cool? Take a very simple question for everyone. Why it is known as the young fold mountains in the world? Chalo. Now guys, Himalayan mountain ranges can be classified into 3 main ranges. Himadri, Himachal and Shivalik. Shivalik is the southernmost range. Above Shivalik we have Himachal, also known as Lesser Himalayas. Above Himachal we have Himadri, also known as Inner Himalayas. So we are going to understand all these ranges in detail. Cool? Chalo. So Shivalik, the southernmost range. Above Shivalik, Lesser Himalayas. Above Lesser Himalayas, Great Himalayas. Let's get started with the very first one, Inner Himalayas or Himadri, the northernmost range of Himalayas. Now guys, if you look at the average height of these ranges, it is 6,000 meters and above. All right. So guys, the northernmost range is known as the Great Himalayas or the Inner Himalayas or the Himadri. Like Ananya Sir is also known as 𝗟𝗃𝗃𝗀𝗃 and Bhavna ma'am is also known as 𝗂𝗃𝗃𝗃, sometimes 𝗟𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃 in a similar way. Great Himalayas are also known as Inner Himalayas or Himadri. Cool. Guys, the average altitude is 6,000 meters. All right. It is composed of granite. This is what you guys are supposed to remember. And guys, it is perennially snowbound. Means, what do we understand from this statement? In most of the part of the year, it is covered by snow. Throughout the year, it is covered by snow because of higher altitude. Now guys, because it is covered by snow throughout the year, there are lots and lots of glaciers in this part. So number of glaciers, what are glaciers guys? Big block of ice, they are glaciers. So the number of glaciers descend. What is known as descent? They come down from this range. Cool. Chalo. Next one we have is Himachal. All right. Chalo. So let's talk about Himachal, guys. Now guys, the range lying to the south of Himadri forms the most rugged mountain system. Guys, what is rugged? Rough terrain. All right. Which is not even. And is also known as Himachal or Lesser Himalayas. Guys, it is composed of highly compressed and altered rocks. Now guys, what do we understand from altered rocks? The shape of the rocks has been changed over a period of time. How? Due to different agents of erosion like glaciers, wind, river. All right. Guys, if you look at the altitude of Himadri, if you look at the altitude of Himachal ranges, it is between 3,700 meters to 4,500 meters. All right. Okay. And the average width is 50 kilometers. That's it. I hope you understood till now. If yes, do not forget to hit the like button, guys. Next, guys, there are lots and lots of ranges in Himachal ranges like 𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃 range. Guys, it is the longest range. You can remember this. All right. It may come in MCQ examination. Guys, 𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃 range forms the longest and the most important range. Other than 𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃 range, there are other beautiful ranges in Himachal like 𝗂𝗏𝗃𝗃 range, Mahabharat range. All right. With that, there are many famous valleys in this area like Kashmir Valley, Kangra Valley, Kulu Valley, all in Himachal Pradesh. Right. So it is well known for hill stations. So like this one is 𝗂𝗏𝗃𝗃𝗃 range, Mahabharat range. Right. We have Kashmir Valley, Kangra Valley and Kulu Valley. Cool. Next, the southernmost range we have is Shivalik ranges. Okay, the altitude is between 900 meters to 1100 meters and the width is between 10 to 50 kilometers. Okay. Now guys, the longitudinal valley between the Lesser Himalayas and the Shivalik. So guys, there are many valleys between Lesser Himalayas and Shivalik. Those valleys in between are referred as duns, like Dehradun, right? And there are other duns as well, Kotli Dun and Patli Dun. So guys, the IEMA Indian Military Academy, if you know, it is in Dehradun. Next. Now guys, after understanding these three important ranges in Himalayas, Himalayan ranges from west to east can be further classified. All right, like Punjab Himalayas, Kumaun Himalayas, Nepal Himalayas and Assam Himalayas. This division of Himalayas from west to east is according to river. So Punjab Himalayas lies between river Indus and river Satluj. Next to Punjab Himalayas we have is Kumaun Himalayas, which lies between river Satluj and river Kali. Next to Kumaun Himalayas we have is Nepal Himalayas between Kali and river Teesta. And then we have Assam Himalayas, river Teesta to river Dihang. All right, guys. Yeah, that's it. Cool. So Shivalik, Lesser, Great Himalayas was basically the division of Himalayas from south to north. All right, those three parallel ranges. In a similar way, Himalayas can be further classified from west to east. समझ गया? Good one. Now guys, the Brahmaputra marks the eastern boundary of the Himalayas. As we know guys, Indus marks the westernmost boundary and river Brahmaputra marks the easternmost boundary of Himalayas. So Himalayan ranges is between the river Indus in the west to river Brahmaputra in the east. Beyond the Dihang Gorge. Now guys, there is a term gorge. What do we understand from gorge? People, gorge is a landform which is formed due to the erosional work done by the rivers. Remember this, it's a landform guys, alright, which is formed due to the erosional work done by the rivers. Make a note of this. So guys, beyond the Dihang Gorge, guys, where is Dihang Gorge? It is in Arunachal Pradesh. Alright, you should know guys, Arunachal Pradesh over here. So guys, beyond the Dihang Gorge, the Himalayas bend sharply to the south. Alright. So Himalayan ranges from here bend sharply towards the south and spreads along the eastern boundary. And these ranges are referred as Purvanchal ranges. Okay. So guys, these Purvanchal ranges run through the northeastern states and they mostly compose of strong sandstone. It is covered with dense forest and it comprises of many ranges, hills like Patkoi Hills, Naga Hills, Manipur Hills, then Mizo Hills. Alright. Guys, basically Purvanchal ranges are in Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura. These are the states which are covered by Purvanchal ranges. Understood? So guys, this was all about the Himalayas of India. I hope guys the topic was clear. Now guys, I want you guys to stay for the next 2 minutes. A very important information. If you take our pro subscription, like I said you at the start of the session, if you came late, so guys, let me tell you, we are giving 50% off on all the courses till 19th of October. Guys, the course which you used to get at 2500 crash course, now it is available at 1250 rupees. This is why I'm telling you this, because if you miss the starting of this session, the first part of the session, over there I give you the information, guys. 50% off on all the courses up to rupees 2000. Guys, the link is there in the description box. Now guys, if you take our courses, what are the advantages? All the sessions are going to be live. Guys, like this session is a recorded session and you know the difference between a recorded and a live session. Guys, in live session, you are basically communicating with the teachers. You are participating with the students throughout the world. Because students in Vedantu, guys, are not only from India. They come from different countries as well. Alright. You can watch the session replays. And these are interactive replays. Means if you miss out the session, during the class, we ask multiple quizzes. Alright. While watching the replay, you can participate in the quiz. So it is going to be like a live session. You can download the notes which are made by your master teachers. You can ask unlimited questions during the class. And if you take our classic subscription, which is available at just 1500 rupees, but the price is 3000. After applying my coupon code ADPRO, it is coming down to 1500 rupees. But it is only till 19th. You can ask unlimited questions after the class also. Tests are taken, assignments are given to you, micro courses, crash courses. People, micro courses are topic specific courses. So you can attend unlimited micro courses, crash courses are revision courses. Everything guys at just 1250 rupees per month or 1500 rupees per month. But only till 19th of this month. Beta, the link is there in the description box. Use this coupon code and get flat 50% off on all the plans. Guys, let me show you guys. Let's say this is one of my video on YouTube. What you guys are supposed to do, just scroll it down, go to show more. You will come across all these courses, right? If you click on term 1 crash course, you will come across term 1 crash course. Guys, this is for, by the way, 10th standard. Okay, this is for 10th standard. Try to understand. For 9th, if you just go go to show more, you will come across all these things. All right, accordingly you can take the subscription, guys. And if you're planning for both the terms, if you're planning for NTAC, everything is available, guys. So guys, go check out the plan. If you are a part of our pro subscription, share this with your friends. Tell your friends to be a part of Vedantu's pro subscription, guys. Amazing benefits. 50% off only till 19th of this month. Do not miss out this opportunity. Alright. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye, guys. Take care. Jai Hind.